for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, this is a requested video. I was asked to use some dollar store items and Dollar Tree items to create a beautiful tablescape. The theme is rose gold colored also, and that's what I did. I put some things together and painted up a couple of items for you, and I'm going to show you how I did this. This came out really beautiful. So I'm going to start with this mercury glass. This is what I use. This is not necessary, but this is a beautiful mercury glass. It's mine. I've had it for a few years. I'm just going to stick this into the tablescape. You don't need it, but I just want to use it. I'm also going to be using this Deco Art metallic paint. I'm going to use the festive red and the rose gold color paint. I'm going to use that sponge that I picked up from Dollar Tree, my frog tape, my painter's tape, my scissors, my thread cutters. I'm going to use the diamond gem mesh in rose gold, and I'm going to be using 2 of the candlestick holders. I'm going to use my hot glue gun and glue sticks, and I'm also going to be using a styrofoam plate to put the paint in, and I'm going to be using my silicone fingers so that I don't burn myself. So right here I've already cleaned off my mercury glass. This is beautiful rose gold colored mercury glass. I'm going to use that as part of the tablescape. And right now I'm just using the painter's tape, the frog tape, to place around the top portion of the candlestick holders. I don't want to get paint there, so painter's tape comes in good. So right now I'm just cleaning the fingerprints off of the candlestick holders. I'm going to use this rose gold colored paint by Deco Art. It's not deep enough, guys, so I have to use a little bit of the festive red just to deepen it. I want the paint to match the color of the mercury glass hurricane lamp. And so I'm going to just keep blending that, and I'm going to start painting the candlestick holders. And I do apologize that my hand is blocking your view. So what I did here was I just painted the candlestick holder. That's one coating, and I set that aside to dry, and I started to work on the second one. A very thin coating works really well if you use. When you use it on glass, you have to use a very thin coating at a time. You can build your coating, but you have to start out with a thin coating. And so that's what I did here. And then I went back and I painted it again, and then I got a nice solid color. And it has a luminescent color also. It looks so pretty. That's what it looks like up close. The color is solid yet luminescent. So right now I'm just going to take that painter's tape off. Just to show you what that looks like. Look how pretty that looks. So now I'm going to start applying that gem wrap on the hurricane lamp. So I'm just going to apply it right to the top, just to give it a nice sparkly accent at the top of the lamp. And now I'm just going to apply that same diamond gem wrap along the base of the hurricane lamp. Just want to give it a little accent and a little sparkle at the base also. So now I'm just going to cut up a little bit of that diamond wrap, cut it into strips, and then I'm going to cut it into single pieces. So I'm using the strip part first. I'm just going to hot glue that around the top portion of the candlestick holder. And after that, I took some single pieces and I glued it to the base of the candlestick holder. And I'm just using my thread snippers just to snip off any threads that may be poking out from the diamond wrap. So right here, guys, here is the finished product. Here are the two items I worked on. They look very beautiful together. That hurricane glass is absolutely gorgeous and the color is just awesome. And I love that the candlesticks, they're not an exact match to the hurricane lamp, but the idea and the theme still looks good together. So right here, guys, I have some items that I did work on that I didn't show you in the video. These two candles are from my dollar store. And my dollar store has some really nice candles. And what I did was I bought these a while ago and I just simply hot glued the gem wrap to the top of this one. This cost $1. This has a nice gardenia scent. It cost $1. And it looks so good. That's the box that it came in. I just wanted to show you that in case you guys see this in your dollar store, you can pick it up. It smells really nice. The second one is a apothecary type jar candle that I found in my dollar store, and I just put gem wrap on it also just to add to the tablescape. Here we go, guys. This is what it looks like. This is the final look. Everything came out so beautiful. The rose gold color really set the table off. And the candlestick looks beautiful. The hurricane lamp looks lovely. Look at that dollar candle. That dollar candle looks absolutely beautiful on the table. I got the mirrors from the Dollar Tree, guys. I got the sequin table runner. I already had that from some material, sequence material that I had. So that didn't come from the Dollar Tree, but I already had it. Like my hurricane lamp. The candlestick holders as well as the candles came from the Dollar Tree and from the dollar store. This table is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The flower petals, I made those myself. And I just sprinkled some large gems and some small gems around the table. I got those from Michael and Hobby Lobby. This is another table setting using just the candlesticks and some flowers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So everything that you see in this scene costs $1. Every single item costs $1. This is a beautiful table that you could create for under, what, $10 to $12. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Take care of yourselves. God bless, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.